In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust, edit, and utilize transparency in Google Slides, specifically focusing on image opacity. This is a fantastic way to make your presentations visually appealing and enhance the overall storytelling. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your browser and head over to Google Slides. If you haven't already, sign into your Google account. It's essential to be signed in to access all the features and save your work seamlessly. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll see an option to start a blank presentation or select from various templates. Choose based on your needs, a blank slate for complete customization, or a template if you're looking for some styled guidance. Now that you're set up with a presentation, it's time to start working with images, which is where the magic of opacity adjustments really shines. Pick an image you'd like to adjust the transparency for. You can either upload your image from your device or select one from the built-in search feature in Google Slides. Once your image is on the slide, click on it to select. With your image selected, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for an option called Format Options. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen showcasing all sorts of ways you can tweak your image. Within this Format Options panel, you'll see various settings. Scroll down until you find an option labeled Adjustments. Under Adjustments, you'll find the control for opacity. Click on it to expand the menu. Here you can fine-tune the transparency of your image from opaque to fully transparent. Drag the slider to the left to decrease opacity, making the image more see-through, or to the right to make it more solid. How much transparency you use is entirely up to your creative vision and the impact you want your image to have on the presentation layout. By wisely adjusting the opacity of your images, you can layer them over text or other images to create a more engaging and memorable presentation design. This technique not only improves aesthetics, but can also aid in focusing your audience's attention where it matters most. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to transform your presentations by utilizing transparency and adjusting image opacity in Google Slides. I hope you found this guide helpful. Give these steps a try and watch your presentations come to life with added depth and clarity. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy presenting.